Hello, new day, new flight. I'm gonna do trees today. I'm gonna try to get under them and not over them. I hope everything works out well. And here is my little trees. Yeah, you've seen them before. There was here I started out in level mood. So now we're gonna do it properly in Acro. Hope for the best. I think I tightened a screw too hard because one of the motors is a bit weird. It's I might have put a screw through the stator there, right there. So I loosened it up and it's working, but I don't know if it's great. So it's only one way to find out. That's it. Try again. Heading back home again. I had a okay day. It was not the best. It's a bit windy. So one way went good, and the other went absolutely horrible. And the screw through the stator. I think that's calling for a new motor. Actually, it runs, but it goes bow, 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 bow. So I think maybe the motor is dying slowly but surely. It served me well. So it's only waiting a few weeks for new motors then, or fly with a baby motor. Let's see what happens. I'm on my way home to fix the motors and put some washers on and make sure I don't tighten too hard so they don't touch it. So back to the trusty workbench again. See you another day.